GM guys, today the video is going to be no drama and pure alpha. I'm not going to have any intro. I just want you to look at this, give it 6 to 7 minutes that I'm going to talk about all the trades that I have. I'm going to talk about the stupid limit orders. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's just go inside. You can see how the markets right now are red. The markets are rolling over again. The markets are looking to go towards that fill the wick area. Is it going to happen today? Is it going to happen tomorrow? This week? Next week? I'm going to decipher everything. Let's straight away go into the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin, if you look at on higher time frame, the daily time frame, you're going to see how it is in this consolidation, this massive 159-day consolidation. If we remove this wick, then also Bitcoin has been in this 96 days consolidation, which means that we are in this sideways price action, which means that we are neither bullish or not bearish on BTC. If you look at a higher time frame trend on weekly, then we are in an uptrend. So we remain bullish and we are still buying the dips. Any dip that comes out, right? And today we can see on daily time frame how Bitcoin is rolling over, Bitcoin is coming down, Bitcoin already went down 5% and now is trying to come back up. But the pressure obviously remains. Bitcoin dominance is rising. We can see how this massive trend on Bitcoin dominance was broken towards the downside, but now it's regaining strength going towards the upside. October usually is a really good month for Bitcoin dominance, and that is what it is proving out to be as well. On the other hand, if you want to look at alts, then ETH BTC is a must. ETH BTC is still below that trendline resistance. ETH BTC might create a higher low over here if it holds this level of 0.032, but if it does not hold the level, then that's going to be a rollover again, and it's not going to be good for the markets, not going to be good for the altcoin markets, to be honest with you. But guys, I am active, and in this season, in my opinion, you should be only looking at educational content. You should be practicing your skills. You should be sharpening your skills right now, and that's what I'm doing at the Discord. I have introduced new channel which is called Hogwarts of Trading, and I am the Indian Harry Potter, guys. It's super funny, but I am your Indian Harry Potter, and what I'm doing is I'm teaching everyone from zero to hero what technical analysis is. All you need to do is join our Discord. You can find the link in the description below, and you will get a discount if you use my coupon as well, which is Kapoor. You have to do it. I did the first session today, but yeah, coming back to the markets, guys, we know what's happening with Trump, right? Trump was the main reason. Trump was the main reason of this dip. What he does is, oh, look at that, I'm going to put some tariffs. And then when the markets go down, buy some stocks, Barry. And when the markets go up, sell some stocks, Barry. That's so bad. That's manipulation. Trump puts tariffs on China. China tells him to fuck off. Trump gaslights everyone about some bullshit deal with China. Trump tacos and removes the tariffs. And then all over again. It's super cyclical and really bad. I don't know how manipulative this guy can be. But China came back. China came back and said China urges the US to promptly correct its wrong practices. If the US insists on going the wrong way, China will surely take resolute measures to protect its legitimate rights and interests. And this is posted by Chinese embassy in the US. This is quite serious. So China is not a small country. It's a superpower, and it's going to attack. It's going to fight back, which is why the markets were coming back yesterday, because Trump changed his tone. China now confirms today that the working level talks with the US is going on right now, which is a good thing. So all of this drama from Trump on tariffs is coming to an end. But guys, look at gold. My only regret in trading is that I did not buy gold in 1964. Hell with pump fun, hell with hyperliquid, hell with BTC. Why did I not buy gold in 1964? Because I was born in 1997. But right now we are in 2025. Yes, 2025. And we should be looking at altcoins that can do the same thing. And I'm going to talk to you about all those alts which I'm putting the stupid limit orders on in the next part of the video, which is after 2 minutes from now. Don't skip this part though. Get some research in your head, make sure you understand the market dynamics right now, and then look at the trades, please. Now, gold has officially posted its highest monthly RSI reading in the history, which is 91.8. Absolutely insane. Gold is rising literally crazy. And when gold drops, we know risk ons are going to go up. Risk ons, like S&P 500, like NASDAQ, Bitcoin, the altcoin market cap. NASDAQ had a bad day. S&P had a bad day as well. Both the risk on equities indices had bad days because of Trump. And then yesterday it tried to recover, but today it's falling over again. And obviously this was written. Whereas if you see VIX, VIX is the implied volatility for the next 30 days. And VIX is a very, very beautiful measure to see whether we're going to be bullish or bearish in the next 30 days. If the VIX is going up, then most probably the market is going to come down. But if the VIX is going down, then the market is not under pressure and the risk cons can go towards the upside. That's what VIX tells you. Simple message. Now the VIX is going up. VIX is already up 54%, which means the implied volatility for the next 30 days, it's going to be up, which means that there is going to be pressure on the risk on assets, which is NASDAQ, S&P, Bitcoin, altcoin market cap. But guys, if you want to play the stocks, then again, I've got everything for you sorted. Let it load though. Why is it not loading? Here you go. I have also given you the trades for the stock market. Here you go in the Discord. All the earning trades, BlackRock, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, all of them with what I'm expecting and with the levels. So you're not only trading crypto, you're trading the equities as well when you join Front Runners. Again, link is in the description. You don't have to join though. You can just follow my Twitter because I'm super active there as well. Now, what's happening with shutdown, Kapoor? Very good question, because this shutdown is looking to be extended to the biggest shutdown ever. The biggest shutdown was 35 days. And now Polymarket is saying that this shutdown is going to be the biggest one. When is it going to end? The highest probability right now is November 16 plus. And what's the date today? It's 14th of October, which means 32 more days. That's absolutely insane. But this can change. I think the most probable date is going to be first week of November. But I'm not going to take this bet. This is a good bet though. If someone wants to take it, it's a good bet. One bet that I would definitely take is my subs. Take this to the moon, guys. Take this to $1,000 and I'm going to upload my dance video. I'm going to upload my dance video if you take this thing to 1,000 subs. ASAP. You have to do it ASAP. The first trade I want to give you is, wait. Let me call the trade. The first trade I'm going to give you guys is SUI. Yeah. I had to, build this thing up so that people are like, oh, it's quite exciting. No, I'm kidding. Guys, make sure that you're following your risk management. Make sure that you understand this is not a financial advice and everything is here is for educational purposes only. All right. Now let's go. SUI is my first limit order that I'm going to put at 2.45. Why? Because that's going to be a double bottom. It's pretty simple. That's going to be a very beautiful double bottom and that is what I'm expecting. Just fill the gaps for all these altcoins and then move towards the upside. That is my trade. You should take this trade as well. Stop loss is 5.5%. Leverage is 5x. The level of buying is 2.45 for SUI. Where am I buying it? I'm buying it on Bitfunded. Now Bitfunded is one of the best ways to have capital, to get capital and get funded as well. All you need to do is take a 100K account, let's say, or you can take a 50K account as well. You want discount, you get it. The link is in the description. I've got everything for you guys. And make sure that you are in Bitfunded because this is the best way to create trading strategies to actually make money from not your money. So it's not going to be your capital, which is 100K. It's going to be someone else's capital, but you are making money out of it. So I encourage everyone to take Bitfunded. Doesn't matter if you take it from my link or not. I'm just saying because it's easier. You can use the link below in the description and you can use the promo code as well. But if you don't want to, but do make sure that you have your real account as well as your prop trading account. So first limit order is SUI. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the limit order in front of you. So 2.45, here you go. I'm going to risk only 4% of my capital on 4x leverage. Usually I do 2%, so I would have taken 5x leverage, but I'm gonna risk 4% and 4x leverage, 2.45 buy the long, and look at the sound. Just listen to the sound. Here you go. Boom. Open orders. So SUI is in my open orders for Bitfunded. I'm gonna clear this account with you guys here on this channel. and then we will make money together. I hope so. I hope so. I've created a relative strength watch list, guys. This is pretty important. Why? Because relative strength is what you want to trade. All the tokens that are currently showing strength in this dip, and these are the tokens that you want to trade. We are in a red day today, but I've got limit orders obviously in this relative strength watch list. The first token from the relative strength watch list is Syrup. Now Syrup has been doing amazing. I talked about Syrup in I think 3 videos ago, and I talked about Syrup. I said I am buying Syrup. I was buying over here. Now it's back to break even. If we did not have this dip, it would have gone like literally up to 0.6. That is my target. But right now, if you want to buy Syrup, then my level is pretty simple, which is very similar to SUI. Fill the gap, and that's 0.31. What I'm expecting this thing to do is come back down, create a double bottom, and then move towards the upside. As simple as that. Now, Syrup is one of the best ones. Maple, this is from today. Maple just crossed 4.5 billion on-chain AUM, up 800% this year. That's 1.8 bill more than BlackRock's Biddle fund. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy, guys? It's absolutely stunning. Syrup up 14% today, sitting at 0.42. Recent stress test handled all redemptions instantly with 0 liquidations. Revenue efficiency lagging some competitors, but the scale play is clear. Maple is really strong fundamentally. This thing is going to go to the moon, and that's pretty amazing. If you look at AUM by day, look at this thing. Syrup is doing excellent. Monthly protocol revenue, look at this. Quite amazing. Like high towers. Since when? Since the 4th month in 2025, which is April. Since April, the revenue has been literally going towards the upside, and that is amazing. So first trade I showed you was SUI. I gave you the limit order. The second trade I showed you is Maple. All right. I mean, to be honest with you, yeah, Maple is the second trade, and that was the watch list. I'm also going to attach the watch list link in the description below, so you can put it on your trading view. It's quite simple. The third one is BNB. Now BNB ecosystem and narrative has been showing really good amount of strength, and this should be going towards the upside. But I've got stupid limit orders for you. I don't want you to buy here. I really don't want you to buy the hype. You get me? So the levels I'm talking about right now are first 1048, and the second is 926. As simple as that. So 1050 and then 925 or 26. These are the levels, and that is proper discount too. From the highs, that's 20% and that's 30%. So you're going to get a 25% discount, and this is for spot. This is not leverage. Make sure you understand that the SUI trade was leverage, that the Maple trade was leverage as well, but the BNB trade is spot. Okay, I really want you guys to hold BNB. Now the next one is SNX. SNX is in the narrative right now, and I want you to be in SNX spot. I'm taking the spot trade over here at this point, 1.26. Why? I'm going to tell you right now. SNX has a proper narrative. Why? Building the first perp dex on ETH mainnet. Perp dexes have a narrative right now. Every single perp dex is been running, whether it's Aster, Hyperliquid, all of these things. Not Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid is like evergreen, but Apex, Blue, all of these things have been running like crazy, and now you've got SNX joining the game as well. It's the first perp dex on ETH mainnet, only 600 mil market cap, compared to Hype and Aster, which is 40 bill and 14 bill. Big names participating in the trading tournament, which he thinks will be the funnel attention to the token over the next month. So this month is going to be great for SNX, but you need the perfect price, and the perfect price is over here, 1.27, 1.28. If you get this, it's going to be quite amazing, and I think the price is going to move towards the upside. It's going to at least move towards 3.2, which is going to double your capital. It's on spot, guys. Make sure you understand it's on spot. The next token I want to talk about is Morpho. Now Morpho has been showing really good amount of strength, very similar play to what I talked about in SUI and Maple, which is just fill the gap, come here and then move towards the upside. Fill this gap, create that double bottom. Double bottom is what we need. Double bottom is what we like. 1.34 is the level. 1.34 is the level that I'm looking for. It's pretty simple, right? Pretty simple and quite amazing as well. Morpho is doing excellent in terms of metrics. If you look at the TVL is pretty much at the all-time highs. There are no breaks in this protocol, both price action wise as well as narrative wise. Now the final token I want to talk about is Tau. Look at that amazing amount of strength. The halving is coming for Tau as well. Now where do I want you guys to buy this? I really wanted you guys to buy this at 294, but I think we're not going to get that level. So whenever we consolidate, I'm going to buy this as a bull flag. I'm not giving the level here. I'm going to give this level on my Twitter. Why? Because I'm not sure where the level is going to be, and I just don't want to give you a trade for no reason. So make sure that you follow my Twitter where I'm going to give this trade. I'm quite active there, active all day. You can DM me, you can comment below in this video, and you're going to get all the answers, whatever you have question for. Trust me. Now, Tau narrative is super on. Tau halving is less than 59 days away. Daily issuance will be cut from 7,200 to 3,600. That's proper halving. And obviously the ETF approval, right? So you're not bullish enough on Tau. Trust me, you're not bullish enough on Tau. And we're going to talk about the subnets as well soon. When the Tau season is like exploding, we're going to start talking about the subnets. I'm going to make a proper video on it. If you're holding Tau, then please understand what you're betting on. And Hitesh had written this amazing read, and I want you guys to read it. This guy is quite amazing. He's super smart. I want you guys to read it. I spent like 10 minutes on this thing. And even if you don't want to read it, just put it in Grok and ask Grok to give you a summary of it. You're going to understand Tau and why the Tau narrative is on, right? So guys, the trades, SUI, leverage trade. I also put it on Bitfunded, right? Then you've got the relative strength portfolio. You've got you've got Syrup. Then you've got BNB for spot trade. Then you've got SNX, which is a proper narrative trade. Then you've got Morpho, which is a leverage trade again. And then Tau, which is not a trade right now, but can develop into a trade, and I'm going to post it on Twitter. Guys, quick video, amazing alpha, spent a lot of time on this. Subscribe, like, share, comment, give your feedback. I'm going to keep improving and say bye-bye to the Indian Harry Potter. Let's go.